In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to go to the home page of your Odoo website. This is where everything begins, and it's essential to have your home page ready so you can navigate easily. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate the website option. You'll find it presented on the interface, and all you need to do is click on it. This will guide you to the website management section, where you can make necessary configurations. Now that you're in the website section, look toward the top of the screen. Here you'll see various tabs like Site, E-commerce, Reporting, and Configuration. Your next stop is to click on the Configuration tab. This will lead you to a range of options that help you manage and set up your online store effectively. After you've accessed the configuration settings, the next step is to click on Payment Providers. This option will give you an overview of all possible payment options available for your online store. It's important to find a method that not only suits you, but also one that your customers are comfortable using. So, you will now see a list of payment methods. Spend a moment selecting the one that fits your needs best. It's a good practice to consider the payments your customers are already using, as choosing a familiar option can streamline the buying process for them. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to install the chosen payment method. This can typically be done with just a few clicks. Once installed, you will need to connect and activate the payment method to ensure it works properly within your Odoo store. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're paying attention to any specific settings that may need to be configured. Now, after you've connected and activated the payment provider, we arrive at the final step of this process. You'll need to enable the payment method. When everything is set up properly, clicking Enable will finalize the integration, and your customers will now have the ability to use this payment method during their purchases. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Odoo store. It may sound like a lot, but once you go through the steps a couple of times, it will become second nature. Remember, having multiple payment methods can boost customer satisfaction and potentially increase sales, so consider exploring other options in the future as well. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more impressive tips and tricks on utilizing Odoo effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.